You're watching ACIERO in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again with Lacie Thunderbolt 2 big drives. So recently I was looking at where I should store my files for video editing. So the thing is, I didn't have a place to store all my files because I had shot a lot of content and I was out of space. And I also bought another computer, so I bought this MacBook Pro, which didn't have a lot of storage because these things are very costly, especially when they get a lot of storage. If you want one with a lot of storage, you have to pay a lot of money. So I got some advice from a friend who advised me to buy the Lacie Thunderbolt drive. So when I bought this drive, I unboxed it previously, I think a few months ago, 3 months ago. So if you missed that, check this video over here and it will take you to the video me unboxing this product. And now this is the review. How am I experiencing this drive? So this drive is heavy, of course, but it's not a portable drive. It's a drive that's supposed to be on your desk, your laptop, or your desktop. So it doesn't matter if it's a desktop, laptop. You can use it on Mac, you can use it on Windows, so it's no problem. I love this machine. It's given me a lot of storage and I'm really happy with the performance it has. So it's very fast. When you open your laptop or turn on your iMac or turn on your computer, it automatically turns on. So there are no things like you have to switch it on and blah blah. No, nothing like that. It also has a card slot, like actually, yeah, it has like 3 card slots that you can three or 2. You can big card. If you are using those big cameras, you can put your card here. If you're using the normal DSLRs, you can use here. You use this one, and it has 2 decks. There is this deck and this deck. So both of these decks have hard drives. So the storage in the deck here, this deck is 8 terabytes, and in this deck is also 8 terabytes. So, and behind the Thunderbolt, you have like a USB 3.1 port, which I really like because with this you can connect it with your iMac or your MacBook Pro or any computer that has a 3.1 USB Thunderbolt drive. Thunderbolt X, and then you have like the power is also here, and you also have a power button behind, and you have the ventilation behind. It's open, you can see back through it. You also have a USB cable, I think it's called DP, DP USB cable, and you also have an lock. So this thing is expensive. It's like 900, 600 something. And yeah, when you buy something like this, you're storing all your memories and you're storing all your your worthful content, so you don't want to lose it. So there is this place where you can actually secure it on your desk. So if you buy this Kingston lock behind, and then you can secure it on your desk so no one can come and steal it. So if because anyone, a computer is replaceable when it doesn't have anything, or if you have things in the iCloud, you can retrieve them. But when everything is on something like this, you have to make sure that it's not stolen, so that you don't lose your content. So the only thing I don't like about this Lacie Thunderbolt drive is it makes noise. It makes noise while using it. So because it has to ventilate, it has to keep running, so it gets warm. So when it gets warm, it starts ventilating from behind. So this noise comes from behind. It's not a slight noise. It's actually a little bit, a lot, but you have to get used to it. You get used to it, I think, in a month or 2. I'm still not used to the noise that it makes. So that's the only disadvantage I've got from this Thunderbolt. And to tell you the truth, I really like it. And for anyone looking for storage or storage upgrades, this is the thing for you. And they come, I think, in one big one. They come with 1 dock, 2 docks. You can also buy one with 10 docks, 10 stations, and those stations you can change out the change out the drives, I think, if it's possible. But then you can also open them. You can open them like this is open, and you can see the drive, and then you can take, change the drive, or switch out the drive if you want. So it's up to you. So the options are endless. So if I were you, I would ration it. So if you're interested in this, check out the description link below. There are links to Amazon store. You maybe get a discount when you buy it. No, you can support me. Maybe I'll get a commission when you buy it. I'm not so sure. But try to use the link in the description link below. Maybe there is a discount and you may enjoy your purchase. And see you next week. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. And see you soon. Bye!